So my Monstera is still outside, enjoying the rain. I'm gonna push it back out further so I can get a little bit more water. Whoa. Whew. This is one of the leaves that was getting burnt by the let's see. Today is the perfect day to be outside because it's not really bright sunny. And it's been raining for a while. You can see the age of my Monstera. It has lots of secondary fenestrations on it. But even a lot of my newer leaves have secondary fenestration. This leaf is one of the smaller leaves. Normally they get pretty big, but not this one. It's very cute. Oh, look at that one. This is pretty rare with my Monstera. Another good reason for it to be outside getting this rainwater is if there's any bugs that are trying to attach, it's going to knock them off. Because as you know, it's in a different location in my house. And it's a bit darker in the corner where it's at now. So I've been inspecting it quite often just to make sure nothing tries to hitch a ride. And I have this cute new leaf coming here that's getting nice and wet today. But I'll probably just leave it out here for maybe another 30 minutes and then dry it off. Look at that. Yep, almost all of my older leaves have secondary fenestration.